Maggie to the rescue!
Hey everybody! Today Maggie is here sitting on a very special package and we're going to do an unboxing of it today. So hopefully it contains a travel Barbie. Thank you, Maggie. And this particular travel Barbie is the Paris travel Barbie. She's vintage from the 1990s, so hopefully she comes intact and with a lot of fun accessories for us to unbox and unpackage. There it is, International Travel Barbie. Comes with a little golden charm bracelet for the child. See the different cities. So here's a little preview of what we're going to get inside. Oh, we have a little piece of tape. That means it was open before. I was under the understanding that it had not been open. So we'll see what we get. What's in here? Oh. I didn't know a little dog would be coming with it. What is that? Look how cute. Is it a Barbie dog? Yeah, it's a little Barbie dog. Oh my gosh, that is too cute. Look at that tongue. I don't think there's the tag. I don't think this was supposed to come with her, but I'm thrilled that he did. Maybe it was. You can let me know in the comments. And here are her accessories. Look at that bright pink belt. I love the pink. She's so pretty. I love this face. I like her earrings. She's a little dusty. This hair is so fascinating. I've never seen that on a Barbie before. Is that just because it's old, or is it like that on purpose? Interesting. Pretty. I love these bright pink accessories. Little accent pieces. See her shoes. So let's get this out and see exactly what we have. I'm still so thrilled that we got the little dog. You can see there's a brush. I didn't know that was coming in here either. It's hard to believe that this is almost 30 years old, made in 1995, so this Barbie's about 28 years old. The old warranty. Getting things out of these boxes has always been difficult for me. Oh, what's that? Oh, I guess they're postcards from all the places that she travels. Little punch-out postcards. There you go, 1995. Cute. And this is Certificate of Authenticity. Very cute. So I am going to probably fast forward this bit because this always gives me trouble, and this way you don't have to go through the trouble with me. she is out of the box. Love the herringbone of her dress too. And I love her pantyhose. I love that she has those. Isn't that great? And a little ring to match her earrings. That's fun. Little pearl belt buckle. Clicky legs, bendable. Wow, that hair. I just can't get over it. Oh, so her hat is attached with these little plastic bits. I think I'm going to cut those off. I think that was just attached to the box. Yeah. So her hat is still attached with some thread. So that'll keep it on there. That's good. I'd love to hear in the comments if you all know about this hairdo. Let's see. The quality of this, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. It's not quite the quality of the 60s dolls, but at least it's like a nicer fabric than, oh, and a little Velcro. It's a nicer fabric than a lot of the things today where it's just sort of that, oh, look at that, her Barbie. Barbie is stamped all over her bottom. But it's still a nicer fabric than a lot of those sort of stretchy, sort of cheap fabrics sometimes Barbies come with now. Have a seat, Maggie, next to your new friend. Maybe Maggie can travel in Paris. Oh, this looks fun. Always can use one of those. I really use them to brush doll hair. Not this doll's hair. It's too, oh my gosh. Maybe I will soak her hair at some point and see if I can brush it out. Or maybe I'll just leave it. Oh, I love this. Her little travel case. The iconic Barbie bee. Cute. That's a little shoe pouch. Travel shoe pouch. That's nice. Love it. Oh, and her little purse. Oh, a nice snap. That's great. A little clutch. Velveteen. Little pearl button. What else we have here? There's her garment bag. That's so fun. Has the coat hanger. Oh, the coat hanger sewn in. That's good. Barbie needs to keep her outfits nice while she's traveling, especially in Paris. Ooh, I see those sunglasses. So this is the little charm bracelet that the doll was advertised with. It's a little sort of like, the chain is metal, but the little charms are plastic, but sort of made to look like they're metal. Very shiny. Little Scotty dog. Cute. And a heart. What's this? A little purse. Sunglasses. And a lipstick. That's cute. I think that's it. What else? Oh, her pink shoes. Her pink pumps. Love them. These are great. Iconic. Let's get those on. Oops. Get it on there. There you go, Barbie. Love it. Love those pops of pink. Makes me so happy. What is this? I have no idea what that is. Does anybody know? And this? Okay. Well, maybe I will find out. If you know, let me know. That's funny. And her sunglasses. I love these. The backs are solid. And the sides don't fold in, but they are still very cute. And again, her little accessories. There you go. So fun. Maggie made it to Paris, a dream come true, with her puppy and with her BFF Barbie. What could be better? They're just hanging out in Paris and Montmartre, having some coffee. Probably go to the Arc de Triomphe in a little bit. So thanks for watching today. We have lots of unboxings and show and tells and restorations to come. Maggie to the Rescue is a brand new channel, so it means a lot to us if you like and subscribe. Thanks, everybody. Bye.
Like and subscribe. Thank you.